All right, as we walk along here, we can find a couple of rather quite nice young. They've only been in about 3 or 4 years, I think. These. It's another Bauhinia. This is Bauhinia variegata, which is in full bloom now, and we'll see some more later on. So the smaller, pinkier flower is, than the Bauhinia blakeiana. Still the very distinctive bi-lobed leaves. Let's have a closer look. Here we go. But they're kind of smaller than the leaves of the Bauhinia blakeiana. There's a close up of the flower as well. I mean, personally, I prefer it. The blakeiana is a bit sort of vulgar, it's a bit more delicate. But yeah, there we go. And these are planted, maybe 3-4 years ago, I think, possibly less. They're doing very nicely here. Bauhinia variegata, and conveniently at this particular point with the Ficus microcarpa behind. So you can see that the Ficus microcarpa behind the tree really sets off the flowers, and you can really appreciate them blooming here. And another thing blooming behind me over here is one of the climbers. Ta-da! Look at that. This is Bougainvillea spectabilis. Bougainvillea spectabilis. It's classified as a climber, although sometimes it can also be grown as a shrub or as a hedge. But look at that fantastic colour, really magnificent, and also great for hanging over. Right, it'll hang down. It can't really stand up by itself very much, but so you can see the new shoots shoot up and then sort of arc over. If there are other trees and plants nearby, it can kind of lurch over the top of them, right? Scramble over the top of them, and can grow really huge. I mean, it can grow as big as a tree, it just can't stand up. Bougainvillea spectabilis. And if we have a closer look, we'll see here, for example, you can see the flowers there. Those white little white bits, those are the flowers. The pinky bracts, B-R-A-C-T-S, bracts, are actually adapted leaves, but they form the same function as the petals on a flower, providing the colour to attract insects to pollinate the flowers. So Bougainvillea spectabilis.